Welcome back to Brain Power classes. This is our second part of e-governance, e-commerce, and e-governance. In first video, we seen about what is e-commerce, its types, advantages, disadvantages, examples, and social commerce and commerce. Now, in this video, we are going to see about e-governance. So, first of all, I would like to ask you, have you ever applied for a passport, paid taxes, or checked government schemes online? So that is e-governance in action. So what we do online, like applying for birth certificate, death certificate, etc. things, that is called e-governance only. E-governance, it signifies the implementation of information technology in the government process and functions so as to cause simple, moral, accountable, and transparent governance. The basic purpose of e-governance is to simplify processes for all that government, citizens, businesses, etc. at national, state, local levels. Hence, e-governance deliver smart government. Smart means S for simple, moral, account accessible, responsive, transparent government. So, e-governance is when the government uses computer, the internet, and technology to provide services, share information to us, and interact with citizens, businesses, and its own department is an efficient, transparent, and fast way of e-governance. By e-governance, many things came close to the citizens, and all work became transparent. And it is easy and it is easy for many of us to do all things. There are some advantages of e-governance. First is reduction in corruption. It reduces corruption, high transparency, increased convenience, direct participation of constituents, reduction in overall cost, expanded reach of government. Because of e-governance, we can get things or work done online, like applying for birth certificate, paying taxes, etc. things. And it is when we do all this in physical conditions, right? On field, we need some cost, like traveling cost. There will be traveling cost, military cost. So it all reduces by e-governance. Let's see types of e-governance. E-governance is of four types depending on the specific types of services. So first is government to citizen, that is G2C. So you are by this only, government to citizen. So services are for citizens. The government to citizen refers to the government services which enable the citizens to get access to wide variety of public services. Most of the government services fall under G2C, that is government to citizen. It helps the ordinary people to reduce the time and cost to conduct a transaction. A citizen can have access to the services anytime from anywhere. Furthermore, many services like license renewal and paying tax are essential in government to citizen. It also focuses on geographic land barriers. So, G2C explains all the services related to citizens. Next, we have government to business. Government to business simply means services of business. The government to businesses is the exchange of services between government and business organizations. G2B provide access to relevant form needed to comply. The government to business also consists of many services exchanged between business sectors and government. It aims at eliminating paperwork, saving time, cost, and establish transparency in the business environment while interacting with the government. So, government to business relates the services and business related information or things to be exchanging between government to business, and it makes a transparency also. Next, third form, we have government to government. It is G2G. All the it is interdepartment communication. The government to government refers to interaction between different government departments, organizations, and agencies. It can be central to state, state to central, local, or in their departments only. It is an intermediate in department communication. In G2G, government agencies can share the same database using online communication. The government departments can work together. In conclusion, government to government services can be at the local level or the international level. Likewise, it provides safe and secure interrelationship between domestic or foreign government. Fourth and last type of e-governance is government to employee. So, government to employee means services for government employees. The government to employ is the internal part of government to government sector. Furthermore, government to employ aims to bring employees together and improvise knowledge sharing. Similarly, government to employ provides online facilities to the employees like applying for leave, reviewing salary payment record, and checking the balance of holiday. The G2, that is government to employee sector, provides human resource training and development. So government to employee is also the relationship between the employees, government institutions, and their management. So these were the four types of e-governance. First was G2C, that is government to citizen, for services for citizens. Then we seen second type, G2B, that is government to business, services for business. Then we third type we seen government to government, that is interdepartment communication, and last fourth one is government to employees, that is services for government employees like leave application, reviewing balance, and etc. things. Next, some effective examples of successful implementation of e-governance projects are e-Mitra project, that is in Rajasthan, e-Seva project from Andhra Pradesh, CET, that is common entrance test. This can be asked in fill in the blanks or true or false. Now we have, do you know Digital India? Digital India is a campaign launched by the Government of India in order to make government services available to citizens electronically. Digital India was launched by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on 1st July 2015 with an objective of connecting rural area with high-speed internet networks and improving digital literacy. Some of the facilities provided through this initiative are BharatNet, DigiLocker, education, e-health, uh, e- e-health, e-sign, shopping, e-shopping, and national scholarship portal. So next we have UMANG. That is UMANG stands for Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. Mobile app. It is a mobile app. It is government's all-in-one, single, unified, secure, multi-platform, multilingual, multi-service freeware mobile app for accessing over 1,200 central and state government services through smartphones, feature phones, tablets, and desktops. So it includes services like Aadhaar card, DigiLocker, Bharat Bill Payment System, PAN, EPFO services, PMKVY services, AICTE, CBSC. It also provides utilities like bill payments, education, job search, tax, business, health, agriculture, travel, Indian railway tickets booking, birth certificates, e-districts, e-panchayat, police celebration, police clearance, passport, other utility services from private companies, and much more. So, in simple words, for first, that is Digital India is an example they have given. It was it is a program that was launched by Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on 1st July 2015. It was for to transform India into a digitally empowered society and acknowledge and knowledge economy. It simply aims to use technology, improve governance, provide services online, and connect every citizen digitally. So remember this much only about Digital India. And next we seen about the UMANG, that is Unified Mobile Application. It is a mobile app and it was launched by the government of India, that and it aims to allow citizens to access various government services on their smartphone from a single platform only. Next, we have security measures in e-commerce, that is encryption. First we have, so e-commerce security refers to the principles which guide safe electronic transactions, allowing the buying and selling of goods and services through internet. So in that, first we have encryption. Encryption means sending message privately. It is like a coded form. Encryption is widely used on internet to protect user information being sent between browser and server. This includes password, payment information, and other personal information that should be considered private. The process consists of two processes as encryption and decryption. Encryption, it transfer encryption means it is readable form of data. Encryption converts plain text, readable forms of data into ciphertext that is non-readable. And decryption, that is exactly opposite. That coded form of data, it converts again to the readable form of data. So encryption consists of two types. First is symmetric, asymmetric. Symmetric means private key encryption and asymmetric means public key encryption. You can see by this diagram they have seen. See here, this is plain text. Encryption converts to ciphertext. In ciphertext, it is coded form of data. And again, as it goes to as the further person receives that message, decryption, after entering a password, it gets plain text, readable form of data. So it is a secure method to share personal information or private information. Next, we have digital signature. A digital signature is also known as an electronic signature. A digital signature guarantees the authenticity of an electronic document or message in digital communication and uses encryption technique, that is asymmetric cryptography, to provide proof of original and unmodified documentation. Digital signature are used in e-commerce software, distribution, final transactions. This is the direct transfer of information between two partners. And by digital signature, we came to know its authenticity and how true or true it is. Next, we have digital certificate. Digital certificate is an electronic password that allows a person, organization to exchange data securely over the internet using the public key infrastructure PKI. PKI's full form can be asked in no, fill in the blanks. PKI stands for, so it will be public key infrastructure, or it can be asking true for true or false also for one mark. Digital certificate is also known as public key in certificate or identity certificate. In this information, information is transferred between two authorized partners who have digital certificate issued by some supreme authority. So these were three in security measures in e-commerce. First was encryption. Encryption means it's sending private information between two individual, two groups, or two organizations. Then we see digital signature, then digital certificate, and this is the summary of the chapter. Here we completed our first chapter, and this chapter question and answers are already given in our channel video, so you can watch it, and if you like it, if you